you to please set that down muna siguro right there. Ayan. Ayan, maybe we can have some assistance. Oh, grabe eh. Ano, overwhelmed na ba kayo? Iba talaga ang ganda ng isang Marian Rivera. And this is the kind of beauty not just from outside, from within as well. We are so lucky. And having said that, I Am Worldwide is absolutely thrilled to embark on this journey with you, Miss Marian. Maraming salamat for being here. Your energy and passion are exactly what we need. And we are so honored. Tama ba, I Am Worldwide? So honored to complete our list of stellar endorsers. Finally, the Marian Rivera is with us. So later on, we'll have an opportunity to know our journey towards becoming an I Am Worldwide icon as well. But for now, we'd like to invite some key figures to join Miss Marian right here on our very special table. So we're calling in, of course, our General Manager, Miss Ana Maniego. Sumama naman kami dito.